you're the cook. You're the one that does it. I'm talking with the Gemma. She has a recipe, and her husband, who recently passed away, Germany, and he has a recipe for smoked hams and bratwurst and bacon. And we buy these on Bantayan Island, and they're just excellent. And so she's continuing to use his recipe, and this is where we come for, you know, our ham fix and our bratwurst fix. And we make chili dogs with these. You know, we do sauerkraut and bratwurst. We just do bratwurst by itself. We use it like sausage in for like our breakfast. You know, we'll slice it up, we'll fry it, or cook it in with some scrambled eggs and stuff. Whatever. It's working in everything, so it's really, really good. And like I said, this is her bacon. So this is, and you can see it's lean. Look at this right here. You see this? You see there's you can barely see any fat on this. There's a little tiny 1/16 of an inch layer of fat on that, and that's all that they do. You're not going to get a big chunk of fat. And if you like fat and you like heart attacks and stroke, don't buy this. But if you like lean, good, really smoked, flavored ham, and really good, I mean, they use all the correct seasonings and everything for the bratwurst. And again, you got your smoked bacon. It's dynamite. Everything is fantastic here. So again, that is Gemma, and she's the one carrying on the tradition of the German sausage and smoked ham here on Bantayan Island. It's excellent. So, yeah, and she keeps it liverwurst. Okay, she has that, and that's really good. I mean, you can see all the packages there, and she prepares all this, and salami. The salami, now she's got to kind of cure this a little bit more, and it'll be ready for sale, but it's not ready for sale just yet. She wouldn't sell me none yet. She says it's not ready for sale. And these are pretty lean. Everything she does is really lean. I mean, the max you'll probably get is like 20% fat and 80% meat, and on the sausages it's probably 90% lean, and on the ham it's like 98% lean. I mean 99. I don't know. Really, really good. And the bacon, of course, bacon has got, you know, because it's from the belly. Well, I don't know. I'm not really seeing any real thick layers of fat in there, but it's really lean too. So everything she does is high quality, really, really good stuff. So you guys, if you're on Bantayan Island, or you come to Bantayan Island, you know, ask me and I'll hook you up with her, and you guys can get, you know, whatever it is that you like. So we'll be back with more. The girls are talking Cebuano over there, so that's all the background noise you hear. So anyway, we'll be back with more. From my paradise on Bantayan Island. Everybody loves bacon.